How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on New Zealand dollar versus Japanese yen. Yes, we will be tracking NJ for the entire month of October. The year is flying by really fast. I have set up our IPTA look back data range, so 20 bars. You can see from the 1st of October, then 40, and then 60, not days, bars, because we're on the daily time frame, so each bar represents a day. Then we cast forward 20 bars as well, or 20 days, and that's what we got. So this is our playing field to find a swing opportunity or a position trade. And we have our premium and discount levels based off of no indicators, just the opening price of October. The market will give you everything it needs. You just need to be understand how to interpret and navigate through it. Now, currently we can see a higher swing high has formed up here compared to this, and also a swing low, higher swing low. There's a swing low here and one formed here. Now, the first week I normally allow to just trade. I don't try to participate in it. NFP week, I try to leave it alone because the first week tends to flush a lot of traders in and out, or the market might be range bound. And as you can see, it is pretty much range bound. Right now, I want to see if we get a support of a higher swing low or we raid a low and go higher. So I'll paint the picture for you guys. So I want to see if we continue to go higher, right? We have a current swing low that's forming here. Hopefully today, Monday, doesn't take out that low. But if it does, then I would like to anticipate maybe it runs down a little further, runs out a sell side liquidity pool, and then pushes back up to the 20-day high. We also have these up close candles, right? Bearish order blocks. I'm going to look at them as reclaimed order blocks. I want them to be reclaimed because that's where a lot of selling occurred before the drop. There was a rally. So this is going to be a reclaimed order block if the price action can get back up there. So it gets up here, it reclaims that order block here. And if it gets back up here, it reclaims that one as well. That is the theory, or that is one scenario. Now, if it's going to be bearish, I would like to see it fail to break a high and then continue to trend lower swing highs, lower swing lows, or it's going to break a high. Maybe it's the IPTA 20-day high, right? And then start printing lower swing highs, lower swing lows, and we continue to sell off into the IPTA 20-day low, IPTA 40-day low, and IPTA 60-day low. That would mean that the dollar would be depreciating and the yen would be gaining strength. Right now, I think seasonally, if I double check, go to seasonal charts. We'll do New Zealand dollar first. October, it's bullish, so I like that. Come back. And I believe the DXY itself is sideways. So I want to see other fiat currencies take advantage of this. It's more neutral. I know it goes up and down, but I would hope that we all can agree that this is neutral. More sideways price action should be expected in October. Doesn't necessarily mean seasonal tendencies are correct. Just because the chart shows you what it's doing doesn't mean the price action is truly going to reflect this perfectly to the T. That is something a lot of traders, when they first get into seasonal tendencies, believe that this is the end all be all, and that's the answer to how to trade Forex or trade anything. Now, if you take a look at the yen, we can see it is more neutral as well. There are some real strong bullish spikes, and it's coming down, but it looks more sideways if anything. So it looks almost similar to the DXY. So I want to see other fiat currencies take advantage of this opportunity that they have for October. So let's see if the yen crosses, or the one that we specifically picked, NJ, because last month its monthly range cycle was small, right? Really small. Look at the body of the candle, it's tiny. So we're expecting a large month to unfold, whether that's to the upside or to the downside, right? Many people are like, oh, we don't know which way it's going to go. It's just the fact that we know that there's going to be some type of dynamic sponsorship that's going to kick into play. Most times after a small candle, whether that's a small daily, small weekly, or small monthly, what follows that? A larger cycle. So we're going to anticipate a larger cycle to kick into play. So you can see here, look how small this down candle is. And then all of a sudden, right, the next month, look how large it is. That's what we're trying to anticipate. It could be large to the downside too, or large to the upside. I would like to see more of this filled in and see if we could probably trade back up into that range. That's why we have those reclaimed order blocks. See if we could trade back up into that range. Right now, we're currently sitting around October's opening price, fair value. So it would be best to find a buy opportunity below discount if you are speculating higher price action. If you are speculating lower price action, it would be best for you to find a sell opportunity above in a premium. Now, once you find that situation, I don't know if you're looking for a swing, I don't know if you're looking for a position trade, or if you're just intraday trading. Please be careful with how much you are risking, especially if you're a swing trader or a position trader. Risk properly, risk 2% and hold. Risk 1% and hold. Do not over leverage your account. That's all I have to say for now. We also might have an outside bar. You can see this price took out this candle's high, and it may even come down and take out this candle's low. Let's see. A sudden alert might be an outside bar. If it's an outside bar with a down close, I would like to see nice buying come into Tuesday. Find intraday setups, either London or New York, or even possibly Asian session for longs. So we'll take a look at that later. A sudden alert here. And we'll take a look at that. So it'd be nice to see if we get an outside bar candle, outside down close candle, and that's a buy signal. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.